Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check the numbers. The first one is by using a secret code, so it is the quickest option. And the second is by using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. And I'd like to begin with a secret code. So let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter the code. And the code is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So again, the code is *##06#. Alright, now let me show you another way to check those numbers, as I said, by using the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, so you'll still be able to check the numbers. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down. As you can see right here on the kind of first page, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to enter the model and hardware. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number will be right in the middle. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.